Today, let's talk about a really important law, Directive 2016/680. Now, that sounds complicated, but don't worry. I'll break it down for you in a way that's super easy to understand. What is Directive 2016/680? So, what is this law? Well, it's a rule made by the European Union in 2016. The goal? To protect personal data when it's used by the police and courts in criminal cases. Think of it like a safety net for your private information when it's in the hands of law enforcement. Who introduced it? This law was introduced by the European Parliament and the Council of the EU. They made it to ensure that personal data is handled safely while still allowing police and courts to do their jobs effectively. What does it protect? It protects personal data like names, addresses, fingerprints, and even DNA records. Basically, any information the police collect about you must be handled responsibly. The law makes sure your data isn't misused, leaked, or shared without proper reasons. What happens if someone doesn't follow this law? Great question. If police, courts, or any organization fail to protect personal data, they can face serious penalties. This includes fines, legal action, and even restrictions on their work. It ensures that everyone follows the rules and keeps our information safe. Benefits of the law. This law is really important because it protects your privacy, prevents misuse of your personal data, builds trust in law enforcement, makes sure police can still fight crime efficiently without harming innocent people's rights. So that's Directive 2016/680 in a nutshell. It's all about balancing security and privacy. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like and share this video. Stay safe and stay informed.